Alrighty, hello, I am Grant Spraker. I am here to help give a tutorial video on this app that I will show you very soon. The school that I go to is Fort Collins High School and FuturesLab. FuturesLab is a CTE program. And my teacher advisor, kind of how I put it, is Joe Batho. Alrighty, hello. So I'm gonna now explain what the app is and what it's called. So the app is a Hackwich called MobileMapper, and within the name, it's a mapping app. So if I share my screen, we got our app. Like we have a navigational controller, and then we got what you'll actually see, which is this guy, which is the view controller. This is the storyboard. So this is where like you put all your objects, like a button, your map view, which this is the MK map view. The MK map view is basically when you turn on the simulation or put it on your device, it's all this gray is just going to turn into like a map. And yeah, so on the top, we'll have our zoom button and our search. And that's all you'll basically need for the app. So if we go into the code, we got our code here. We got our import map kit, which if you do start an app, it'll only have your UI kit. Your import, so your map kit part only just enables like your map. So we got an IB outlet. An IB outlet gives like an object like a name. So like if you put it in the code, it'll help identify what it is. And that way, so if we highlight it, it's connected to the map view. And like you can kind of like see it right here. This name matches up with the one in the middle. Then we also have an array. And an array kind of like stores and like holds on to data. So if we want to like search up parks, it would put park names like in there. Yeah. All I got.
I'm Diego Gonzalez, and I'm a coder here at FuturesLab, and my primary high school is Fort Collins High School, and I'm going to talk to you guys about our mobile map and the simulator, which is obviously the map, and to the right of it, we have our code. So here what I'm going to highlight is our action function, which I highlighted, which is when zoom button pressed, as well as the one below it, when search button pressed. And if you're wondering, the code underneath both of these action functions is basically the code that lets our button do its job. Now I'm going to show you exactly how they do their job with the simulator. So here's the map. Once I press the zoom button in the top left corner, you'll see a zoom in to San Francisco. And here we can take it a step further by pressing the search button in the top right corner. Once I press it, it's going to pinpoint all these park locations within San Francisco. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial.